How to fix the no route error in Discord. Method 1. Change the server region in Discord. Ask the server administrator to perform the following steps. Open Discord. First, select the server. Then, open the server's drop-down menu and click Server Settings. Under the Server Region option, click Change. Select a new server region. Click Save Changes. Now Discord's no route error should be fixed. Method 2. Disable quality of service high packet priority in Discord. Open Discord. Open the User Settings menu. Under the App Settings category, click Voice and Video. Scroll down until you find Quality of Service. Then toggle the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority slider off. Close the Settings menu. Method 3. Set custom DNS server addresses. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in Control Panel and click OK. Once in the Control Panel, click Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network device and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. Tick the Use the following DNS server address option. In the preferred DNS server type in 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS server type in 1.0.0.1. Note that you can use your preferred custom DNS server settings. Click OK to save settings. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Method 4. Perform a DNS flush. Navigate to the right side of the taskbar, right-click Discord's icon, and click Quit Discord. Then, hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in CMD, and hold down Shift plus Control plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as administrator. Type in ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Type in ipconfig /flush DNS and hit Enter. Lastly, type in ipconfig /renew and hit Enter. Reboot your PC. Thank you for watching.